Kiki from India. And from Africa, the African grey. Come on, everybody, clap your hands. Safula.
ايوه شوف الوردي.
Nice. Wow, we. Come on, Green. 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 Come on, one more. We win. Hey. Stop cheating, man. Stop cheating. Come on, Green. Come on, Green. Hey, come on, Grey. Wait. Which team win, green or grey? You know, I forgot to tell you the main thing in the script. This is a practice round. Hey, no cheating. It's a practice round. I don't like cheaters, okay? We play first round. My team is green. Green is my team. 1, 2, go! Come on, green. What? Come on, Grey. Come on, Grey. Come on, Grey. Come on. Yay! We win. What, you guys decided something inside and came? Okay, let's play the final now. Let's see who is going to win the final. DJ, which team you want? Grey. My team is green. Baba, whose team you're supporting? Green or grey? You're supporting me? Alright. 1, 2, go! Wait. Now you are my friend, right? Yes. I like your shoes. You look like Princess Elsa. Tell everybody who was dancing good, me or the birds? Me.
You!
Clap your hands for the lady. The third largest button. Here we go. Come on, everybody. Zakula, clap it up. Hey. Yalla Talis Habibi, Yalla Tar, the Raja, Hawaii. Yalla Pedro. We're gonna keep moving. We're going one more station, DJ Al-Mahakal Al-Qadiyya. Barjamar. Push it up. Oh, yes. Push. Ya salam. Clap your hands, everybody. Catch it. What's that? No. What's that?
Thank you so much for your donation.
Thank you for your donation. No, we're kidding. Open your hands. We will give you the money back. Come on, Alibaba, be a good boy. Everybody's watching. Close your palm. Catch it. Miss Milano, thank you so much. Have a seat. Sit on your hand and take a surah just like this. You all can do it after this show. You see, the trainer is also wearing a gloves for the safety. This is trainer Ronnie. Let's clap a hand for him and Eugene. Andre the Giant! Andre the Giant is the only one eagle in Dubai. It isn't us. If you are a tourist, do not miss to take a picture with him. We will give you a gloves. The bird will jump on your hand and take a picture. Mommy and Daddy will take a surah like this with the largest eagle in the world. It's the... No! I said fire. Is it a fire, my friend, right? They said it looks like a rainbow. No. What? It's a monkey. Which monkey? Me. This is my face like a monkey. Kids, do I look like this?
Yes.
Whoever saying yes will not go outside, huh? Let's clap and one more. Okay, we got the first card. Is that the right card? It's a panda. Okay, let's see what is the second card gonna be. I have no idea. What is the second card? Is it a cat? It's a macaw! Bravo! Recycling can help people around the world.
العصفورة غصب عنا.
Do not forget, after cleaning